In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on chat history in Claude AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to keep your conversations saved so you can come back to them anytime. Start by opening your Claude account and heading into a chat. When you're in the normal chat view, Claude saves your conversations automatically. That's essentially what turning on chat history means here, staying in the regular mode so your messages are kept in your history and easy to revisit later. There's one simple thing to watch out for. Look for a small ghost icon in the chat interface, often near the message box or along the top of the conversation. That ghost toggles incognito mode. If incognito is on, your chat history will not be saved. To keep your history on, avoid clicking that ghost icon. If you see the icon highlighted or otherwise indicating it's active, that's a sign you're in incognito, and anything you type won't be stored. Now, go ahead and enter your prompts as usual. As long as you haven't turned on incognito by using the ghost icon, Claude will save your conversation automatically. This is especially helpful if you're working on multi-step tasks, drafting content over several sessions, or simply want to revisit past answers without starting from scratch. Here's a bit of context so it's crystal clear. Incognito mode is designed for temporary private chats. It's great when you want a quick, not to be saved exchange. The trade-off is that none of those messages will appear in your history, and you won't be able to return to that thread later. So if your goal is to keep your chat history on, make sure you're in the standard mode and the ghost icon isn't active before you start typing. A quick tip: before beginning a longer project or an important conversation, take a moment to glance at the ghost icon to confirm it's not turned on. If you ever step into incognito for a private question, remember to come back to the regular mode before continuing with anything you want saved. If you don't see a conversation show up later in your history, it usually means incognito was active during that session. Start a new chat in regular mode and your messages will be saved going forward. That's all there is to it. Open your Claude account, type your prompts, and avoid the ghost icon so incognito stays off. With that, your chat history remains on, organized, and ready whenever you return.